Hifikepunye Pohamba, liberation fighter, president, and now winner of the Mo Ibrahim Prize for Leadership. From humble beginnings, he was educated by missionaries and as a young man worked in a copper mine. Then he helped form the Southwest Africa People's Organization. It waged an armed struggle against South African rule, and that landed him in prison. After independence, Pohamba worked on land reform and was in 2004 chosen to succeed President Sam Nujoma. He was elected again in 2009 after the ruling SWAPO party won elections. Pohamba was invited to speak at Nelson Mandela's memorial, a testament to the role he's played in Southern Africa. However, Pohamba wasn't nominated as SWAPO candidate for the latest round of elections and will be handing over power to President-elect Hage Geingob. Clementine Logan, CCTV.